No, fun fact: if I come to work on Monday and I'm not hurt, that's a good thing. It's a good day. My name is Matthew, and I'm a foreman at Dalinghaus Construction. My day-to-day, well, it starts off in the morning at about 5:30 to 6. I'll show up at the shop, and I'll check my truck, make sure everything's all loaded up correctly, make sure my crew's all there, and then we'll head out at around about 6:15 to 6:30, and we'll get to the job site roughly around 7:30 to 8. And I'll answer any of the questions the customer has throughout the day. And then other than that, we're just grinding, digging, working, and it is what it is. Some of the major problems that the customers really have is just knowing how the process is going. If it's going good, if it's smooth, if it's rough, if there's any problems involved. So just mainly reassuring them that it's going as planned and nothing's really a problem. It may seem like there's problems, but it's completely normal. So it's just reassuring them. I do love my job because, I'm an outdoors person. I like being outside, so this is great. I like being active, so construction work for me is honestly perfect and just keeps me going. The most fulfilling part of this job is after we lift and seeing the house up where it's originally at and just seeing everyone happy at the finished product. I think that's probably the most fulfilling part of it. What I like to do for fun, well, I'm an adrenaline junkie. So anything that gets your adrenaline just going, I'm all about it. Dirt bike riding, hanging out with friends, going to concerts mostly, and fishing. Gotta love fishing.